All right, welcome to MarineMax of Rogers. Today I get to walk you through this 2022 Boston Whaler 15 Montauk. This is an excellent boat, very difficult to find in the used market. This one's all rigged out for fishing. So we've got the nice Minn Kota trolling motor here. We've got the rails, we've got the fishing package. This also has a nice hummingbird up on top. This has the MERCURY 60 horse. Just a great boat to go to all these different kinds of lakes, fishing. You could even use it just for fun as well. So we've got the cooler in the front, storage. Like I said, it's got the trolling motor. You got the trailer included, spare tire. 15 Montauk 2022, tough one to find. Come on down to MarineMax of Rogers and take a look.